Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be speaking about a low cap coin with a great narrative that I believe has some really good potential. Now, the project is actually tied to one of the rarest, most ancient dog breeds in Japan. The Japanese pronunciation for the project I'm talking about today is called Kawakami. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so we're on the launch pad where Kawakami has basically launched. So let's see if it can make us some money. And if you remember, actually, Manyu Fun I did a video on this about 3 or 4 months ago, and it's done exceptionally well. It's gone up to like $53 million. They've got their own launchpad. There's a lot of projects, and Kami, which is obviously short for Kawakami, is the ticker for the project. So let's check this out and see what this project's about. But I think it could potentially do really well because it's still quite a low market cap, and it's launched on a really good DEX, and there seems to be a lot of community members and people joining in with the project. So current liquidity $71,000, market cap $673,000. It's only been around for 3 days. Volume is about 10% of the market cap, slightly less. Total supply of 1 billion. And this is a really good launch pad. There's like loads of projects launching, some of them not doing so well, but I mean, once they get one big project, and Kami could be that project, then obviously more people hear about it, more people join it, and then it starts going viral. It's how crypto works. Plus the narrative with Kami is actually a really good narrative. So let's head over and check out the website. All right, guys. So this is the Kawakami Inu website, the rarest Shiba Inu from Japan. Now it's currently listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. You can obviously see the live chart here. You can buy now. You can join the X community, and then you can go to Manyu Fun as well to basically, if you want to launch a token or if you want to buy it, Kawakami Inu on their platform. Now, if we go down, you've got the About Us section. The website looks pretty cool. Uniswap, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, currently on all the basically decentralized platforms at the moment. So hopefully they should get some listings once the market cap goes up a bit. Seems pretty solid so far. Tokenomics 1 billion supply, 0 fees. Smart contract is revoked. Liquidity provision 100%. Liquidity is also burnt. And then you've got the contract address here. And then obviously how to buy it. It's just got details how to buy it there. And then you can basically join the community. Let's head over to the X. The X is looking pretty good. Been around for 3 days, got 278 followers. 5th September, that was a couple of days ago. That's their pinned tweet 14 hours ago. The memes are looking pretty cool. I think it's very important, especially with meme coins in the beginning, is to have the memes looking really good, create the hype, and just literally just keep spraying out memes and different stuff and shit over social media, because that's how you get the attention. It's an attention economy. But yeah, the memes are looking really good. The narrative is good. So everything looks good so far with this project. So guys, I've just come over to Dex Screener, because I always use Dex Screener. So basically here it's got a liquidity of $138,000. Now that would be for one of two reasons. Either they've got multiple liquidity pools, because liquidity is showing slightly different on Manyu Fun, or Manyu Fun is just showing the pooled, basically the liquidity from the salon and not the token. But liquidity is actually really strong. Dex Screener, it's looking solid. It looks like it's taking another leg up here. If you're going to enter, I'd say this is definitely the right time to enter. But look, what are my actual thoughts about the project? Now, with anything in crypto, you can lose money, you can make money, but the only way to actually win is by the time that you enter the project, right? So you need to basically find the best entry, and some projects will rug, some projects will do well, some projects will go absolutely parabolic and can make you into a millionaire. So I think the most important thing ultimately is to manage risk, look for good projects. For me, this is a fairly good project. It's launched on Manyu Dex. Manyu has done really well, went up to 52 million. This is currently sitting at 676,000. So, I mean, if this can even do a 10x, that's only like, what, a $6 million market cap, which is only 10% of what Manyu done. And you've still done a 10x from these levels. So I think, yes, this is pretty good. This is pretty solid compared to most of the projects out there. Obviously, you always need to manage risk though. So guys, put in the comments your thoughts on Kawakami Inu, on what you think about the project. Okay, we're going to come back and check this in a couple of weeks and a couple of months. Hopefully it's still around. Hopefully it's at 100 mil plus, but let's see. And remember to like and subscribe to the video. Remember, this is never financial advice. I'm only putting out what I'm seeing in the market, potential opportunities. I get it right a lot of the time, and you can make money as well if you listen, but obviously always manage your risk, always do your own research. I'll see you in the next video.